read. Okay. Nita Kumari Gauri Shankar Prasad. Start now.
The Hare and the Tortoise. 1. Listen and read aloud. Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. You are so slow. I am so fast. Let's up run a race up to the mango tree. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. The race began. The hare ran.
Sit straight.
The hare ran with long leaps. Hop, 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 hop. The tortoise walked slowly. Flood, 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 flood. The hare came to a carrot patch. Yummy, what lovely red carrots. The tortoise is far behind. It eat a few carrots, but he ate a lot of carrots. Crunch, crunch, crunch. But then the hare came to a radish patch. Plurp white hot, juicy, white radishes. He'll eat only a few, but he ate up quite a few. Crum, crum, crum. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Fresh leafy vegetables, so good to eat. So he ate up quite a few. Munch, 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 munch. The hare was now too full. He ran. Hop, itty hop. He was feeling very sleepy. He'll take a little nap. He slept under a tree. He slept on and on. And all this while the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The hare woke up. He ran to the mango tree. What did the hare see? Ha ha ha! Slow but steady wins the race.
Very good. Very good reading. You read in 3 minutes 221 English word. The story of hare and tortoise. Okay. Give more claps for Nita. Who read now? Who read? Tell me. Who read? Otherwise, I teach next lecture. No? Okay. Anybody read tomorrow? Okay. Azad, you read tomorrow. You practice today. Okay.